This 70 Nova was whacked in the front, and it's got the door all out of line. The chrome is hitting the quarter chrome there, and there's not a very good door gap. And you can stick your hand in the, and you got no gap there, and then you stick your hand in up here, which means the cowl is pushed back from the wreck. So I'm going to take PortaPower and jack the cowl forward. You can just listen to me and Chad quack.
Upper hinge pillar and block of wood down there and all that. So then we'll. You got tape measure?
Alan, will you grab him a tape measure, please?
Sure. So I'm going to go from here to here. What is that, 43 and a half?
A little bit more.
A little bit more than 43 and a half?
Yep.
What'd you have for dinner?
We had lunch. We had a late lunch. Mm-hmm.
Crush that wood.
Oh, shoot, that board's busting all over the place.
Hopefully it's pushing that A-pillar all over the place.
That's that wood cracking.
No,
Crack-a-lacking.
let me get another piece of.
Okay.
That's why you could use this one right here.
What's that at now?
Right here would work up there, would it? Maybe not.
44? It went pretty good. Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Now, let's let it sit for a minute.
Okay.
And
We're
tick.
gonna let it sit overnight then.
No, let's sit on that. We'll push it until the door works good.
More later, so please touch my like thingy and share my shizzle and subscribe, damn it.